The importance of making connections between what learners are doing in the classroom and opportunities available for their futures is imperative. This can be done by encouraging research into related professions, building insights into the knowledge, skills and capabilities required, and introducing students to community partners in those roles.
So working on the hands-on projects really gives the students an opportunity to, I suppose, work with and experience equipment which they might not have met before. And also by focusing on the area of renewable energies like we did in this project, they're able to, I suppose, get an idea of that industry in particular, which is also growing in Tasmania. So jobs and careers which students need to focus on when researching this STEM unit really help them gain an understanding of the topic and the work that they're going to need to conduct when building their wind turbine as part of their renewable energies project. By learning about the jobs and careers, it was also then embedded into the project that they conducted, so they had to understand what the engineers were doing in the particular jobs and careers with the renewable energies, so that they could apply that learning and what the engineers did to their own design process.
Prior to becoming a teacher, I worked in the real world in the IT industry, and so I bring a lot of my work experience into the classroom. When they're asking me questions about maths or science, I can usually relate to something that has happened in the real world. They don't have that experience yet, so they're trying to develop that, and we have tools for that. We have our My Education, but I think it's also really important that they do some individual exploration to check out jobs that they think they may want in the future.
By getting an insight into people in the community and people in business who are working in these roles and jobs and careers in real life, it allows them to really make those clear connections between the work they're doing in the classroom and possible job pathways in the future, really make those strong connections between what's happening in the school and what's happening out in the workplace and the community.
It helps them make informed decisions about what courses to choose in the coming years of school and look at what type of jobs that they might want to do that because of the parts of the project that sparked their interest. So besides making connections through example within the classroom, it's really imperative that we bring people in from the outside, whether that be scientists, businessmen, engineers. The more the merrier we'd like them in our classroom, because the students believe what they say probably more than what we say.